So in Remini app, if you wanna try this viral filter on TikTok, which is like a baby pregnancy filter, just download the Remini app and then upload like 8 of your selfies. You need to select a gender as female or other, and then you need to upgrade. You can also upgrade just to the light version, which is like $5 per week, and then you can cancel it if you don't like it. And then basically you just tap on AI photos. And then select your model image, and then basically it can take from 3 to 7 minutes to generate this pregnancy or baby filters. You can also enable notification when it's ready. And then you will be able to save them and share on TikTok or whatever, or Snapchat, if you want it. Like, yeah, some people find these photos weird, but some people just find them quite funny and entertaining. And I can just show you some examples. I was just playing with this app, so I just got like, just some like stock photos. And then you can expect like these kind of filters to be generated, like these baby filters, or you can generate something like with the baby like that. So yeah, this is the idea here. So something like that. Like in the first try, when you just try to do it, it will take you at least like 6-7 minutes. Then if you already have your selfie uploaded, it will take less, like 3 minutes, and then maybe 1 minute. And then if you don't like this app anymore, you just wanted to try it a few times, you will need to cancel your subscription. You need to go through the settings and then go to subscriptions, and then from here there is Remini, and then if you want to just tap the button to cancel it. So you don't want it to be charged forever if you just want to try one filter and share with your friends on TikTok. So yeah, it's still working on the photos. It's actually, you might say, hey, it's like $5 per week, it's quite expensive, but actually it's not, because AI models are quite expensive. So before this app, there were other apps where you needed to pay $5 just to generate a bunch of selfies. Here you pay $5 per week, and then you have unlimited photos which you can generate as long as you want. Of course, maybe you wanted to speed up this process, but it's not possible at the moment, I think. So then you just have this. Unfortunately, as you can see, like some of the photos are weird because this is AI, and there can be some bugs and like very weird effects. But here you have the photo, and then you can just tap to save it. And then photo saved in gallery, it will be saved in your gallery, and then from there you will be able to share it on TikTok. It's pretty cool app. This AI technology is quite amazing. And then this is the viral filter which you want to get. Again, you need to pay for it, like $5 per week to get access to this feature.